and I'm really happy today because I crossed 100 subscribers because of you guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support you have given me. Thank you so much. I really love you and appreciate you. Thank you so much for all your comments and all your likes and all your suggestions. I'm really happy that this you have recommended this to me and you have told me that what should I do, and there were good suggestions like I should use headphones also, because actually the problem is my laptop is an old laptop and it creates a hissing sound because of the battery. I'm really sorry about that. I tried my best to change it and I hope you all can bear with it. Just ignore that, try to ignore that, because my laptop is creating so much noise and so many people, so there are a lot of noises. I'm really sorry. I don't have proper equipments to, noise cancelling equipments or something like that, but I'm really thankful. Beyond that, you have seen that what my efforts, and you have seen my hard work. So I hope you all will be with me till the end, and I will try to improve and I will try to change what I can do with my different objects and different things. And I'm really thankful again. Seriously, I really love you and thank you so much for all your love and support. And today I am going to react to Bol Hoon Soch the Band feat Hadia Ashmi Nescafe Basement Season 5 2019. I'm really excited. I got this recommendation and I am really excited to watch because I heard that there is a small girl in this and she is a very good singer. I heard about, I have not listened to the song, I have not heard the song, but I am really excited to watch it. And I hope you all will bear with the extra hissing sound which is coming from the laptop because of the condition of the laptop. So just be with me. So just let me set my laptop. Okay, I am using my headphones today so that I can get a good quality sound. Okay, so Bol Hoon Soch the Band with Hadia Hashmi Nescafe Basement Season 5 starts here.
नेस्कैफे बेसमेंट सीजन 5 जागना तो पड़ेगा। रंग जा अपने ही रंग तू, हो जा अपने ही संग तू। रंग जा अपने ही रंग तू, हो जा अपने ही संग तू। बना ले छोटी सी दुनिया, हो जा मस्त मलंग तू।
Going forward, I want to tell you that the beat is so good. Very bad at singing, but it's really good. And the voice of this man, please comment down below the name of this person. He's a really good singer, and his voice, as I told you, his voice is like very harsh, which gives a very good classical touch to the song, and not classical, a traditional touch to the song, which is found very rarely. And when the first line came, I was really touched by it, and the lyrics are also wonderful, and I hope it will get better and better and better as we go forward.
बोलू
कर ले तू सबकी सुनता जा। हो, खाली खाली आंखों से सपने बुनता जा, मन अपने की कर ले तू सबकी सुनता जा। टूटी टूटी सांसों से लड़ता जा, बढ़ता जा, टुकड़ा टुकड़ा कर करके किस्मत चुनता जा। बोले तन मन जब हूँ ठंडी लगती है फिर लू, सजदे में आंसू गिरा दे, हो जा मस्त मलंग तू। बोलू 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 बोलू।
I did not want to stop in between because I wanted to say so many things, but I did not want to stop in between because it really gave me goosebumps. It really gave me goosebumps. The way he's singing, the lyrics, the band, they are synchronized so good, and it is sounding so good with the headphones. It giving me chills. Second time in this video, second time I got chills. And please comment down below the name of the singer. He is a really talented singer. Please do tell me, and I am really excited to go further. Oh my god, I almost cried again. Almost teared up. So okay, let's go forward. The guy who's playing the guitar is looking like Ranbir Kapoor, if you know him. I wanted to ask one question, that so many people are here, they are belonging to the same band, or the singer and 2-3 people belong to one band, or they are all one band, or just tell me, like, if it's like we have a Coke Studio, there are musicians and the singers come. Is it like this, or the full band comes and the musicians are their own musicians? Do tell me. How old is she? Oh my god. She's looking 6, 7, maybe 6 or 7 years old. She's so talented. Oh my god, the rag or alap, whatever we say, she took it and it was so precise with all, that vibrations and everything. Oh my god. It's perfect. That's perfect. Oh my god. I am speechless, and Hadia Hashmi, her name is Hadia Hashmi. Girl, you are really talented. Oh my god, I think you will achieve very big goals in your life, because at this age she is killing it. Oh my god. And her voice is like so strong, so powerful, that with all the instruments also you can just focus on her voice only. And she has so much strength to take that long long alap, I think so. We say, I'm not good at the words exactly, but Oh my god. Okay, I will not stop now because I will go back a little bit and I will just enjoy her. A little more back.
लड़ जा अपनी ये जंग तू, कर दे सबको ही दंग तू, बना ले छोटी सी दुनिया, हो जा मस्त मलंग तू।
बोल
Okay, as you can see, oh my god, oh my god. I mean, she moved me from within, as she is so powerful, so powerful. I mean, I am shocked. The words also, the words, the lyrics are so powerful, and she is singing with so much power that it can move you. It is so beautiful. I am just blabbering, but it did, and I cried. I did not expect again this to be happening, but this time she really girl power, you know. I will again go back. I really want to go back. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm if you don't want to go back, you can skip this part, but I want to go back.
लड़ जा अपनी ये जंग तू, कर दे सबको ही दंग तू, बना ले छोटी सी दुनिया, हो जा मस्त मलंग तू।
बोल
Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I mean, I am thrilled. I am stunned by the power she has to move a person. The power, the voice of her moved me, and I don't know, whoever listens it for the first time will definitely feel the same, and those who can understand the lyrics, and because it's very powerful song, and with that voice it can change your emotions on the spot. Because in the beginning I was like, yeah, yeah, nice, nice, and when she came and when she started singing, it gave me chills. And the lyrics, she she with she's so young, but those lyrics were delivered by her so beautifully. I mean, I also can't do that at this age, I guess my age. And but yeah, oh my god, thank you so much for recommending me this. And do tell me if she has more songs, she has sung more songs, and some songs which will make me cry. If you want to see me crying, do tell me, because I'm an emotional person, I get emotional really fast. But if you want to see me crying like this again, do tell me some songs which are like this, so strong, so powerful, and which will give me chills and goosebumps, everything. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for your suggestions. Do tell me more. So yeah, okay, bye. Oh yeah, I forgot. See, because of this I forgot. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like my reaction, and press the bell icon if you want more updates from my channel. I will be updating 3 videos a week. Try to update, and I try to go through all the suggestions you give me, and I will try to react all of them. So bye.